Hello, this is Dharmishta. Today we will learn scatter chart. How to make a scatter chart in Excel. See in this way. First of all, make a table. We are given the table. Then after, on the base of this table, you can create a scatter chart. See in this way. Select it. Then insert. Then chart group. All charts. Then scatter chart. Then click on OK. See, in this way we can generate a scatter chart. You can also change its title. Now next one is pie chart. See here how to create a pie chart. Select the table. Then insert. Then charts group. All charts. Then pie chart. Click on OK. See, in this way we can generate a pie chart. Now next one is donut chart. First of all, create a table, then select it and make a donut chart. Select it, then charts group, then select a donut chart. So in this way we can generate a donut chart.